Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Xbox error code 0x87DD0005. We couldn't sign you into Xbox Live Microsoft Store. So the first thing I recommend you guys doing is just simply restarting your PC and your laptop, because 99% of the time this is the fix to the issue, but most people don't try it. But anyways, once you do try that, the second method I recommend you guys doing is actually open up the Xbox app. Go ahead and go into the top left where your username is, click on that, and then just go to sign out. Once you sign out, sign back in, and then try to do it that way. Check to see if that fixes the issue. And the third method I recommend you guys doing is first either delete the Microsoft Store app and reinstall it, because that way once it is reinstalled there will be no issues, because like let's just say there was a missing update or something, that will automatically be there, so you don't have to look for anything, you don't have to update anything, it'll automatically be done. And it doesn't take long to update either. So that's the final method. Just go ahead and just reinstall the Xbox Microsoft Live Store and then try signing in again. And once you do all of these things, you should be good to go and you're all set. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.